This lesson will teach you how to tell the difference between a fact, an opinion, and an announcement in writing. Facts can be proven by research or science. You can even look them up. Opinions are a person's belief or feeling, and other people might disagree with an opinion. Announcements announce the topic. They say what the topic is. Sometimes they even state a fact or an opinion about the topic. Here are some examples of facts, opinions, and announcements about various subjects. The first one is about pizza. The fact states that pizza has many important vitamins and nutrients. The opinion says pizza is a delicious food. The announcement tells us this paragraph is about pizza. The fact can be proven by research or some sort of science. You could even look it up in a reference text or on the internet. The opinion that pizza is delicious could be what you think, but someone else could think pizza is not so great. And then the announcement, that just says what it is. Next, we have information about cats. The fact is, cats almost always land on their feet when they fall. The opinion is, cats are the perfect pet. And the announcement is, I will tell you how cats keep you from feeling lonely. You can prove with science that cats almost always land on their feet when they fall, so that's a fact. Cats are the perfect pet is an opinion because someone else could be a dog lover. And the announcement, I will tell you how cats keep you from feeling lonely, that just states what it is. It's not a very sophisticated way of writing. Next, we have information on woodpeckers. The fact, the beak of a woodpecker is very strong. The opinion, woodpeckers are incredible birds, and the announcement, now I will tell you all about woodpeckers. The fact of woodpeckers' beaks being very strong is something that can be proven with science or looked up in a reference material. An opinion that woodpeckers are incredible birds is true for one person, but other people might think flamingos are way more incredible. Lastly, we have the announcement, now I will tell you all about woodpeckers. Again, it says what it is, but it's not a very sophisticated statement. Finally, we have information about winter. The fact is, in winter, there are fewer hours of daylight than in summer. You can research that, look it up, and prove it to be true. The opinion, winter is the best season of the year, might be true for one person, but someone else could really love summer. And then the last one, here's how winter is in New England. That's an announcement. It just tells us that we're going to read about winter in New England. You have to decide now, which one is it? Is it a fact, an opinion, or an announcement? Number 1 says, here's what I like to eat. This is an announcement. It's just saying what it is. It could be followed by a list and announcing to the reader what's coming next. Number 2 says, zebras are strange looking. This is an opinion. Some people think zebras look strange. Some people think zebras are beautiful. Number 3 says, birds need bugs to stay alive. This is a fact. You can research it, prove it with science, look it up in a reference source. Number 4, now I'll tell you why I like summer. This is an announcement. We have the person's opinion that they actually like summer, but in a way that's announcing it to the reader. Number 5, this is why my bike is cool. This is also an announcement. We know that the writer thinks their bike is cool, but they are announcing it in a way that's not particularly sophisticated. Now you try. Number 1, fish must live in water. Is it a fact, an opinion, or an announcement? This is a fact. You can prove it, research it, or look it up. Number 2, tigers do the strangest things. This is someone's opinion. One person could think the things that tigers do are strange. Another person could think that the things tigers do are amazing. Number 3, here's where I would like to go on vacation. This is an announcement. The reader is now prepared for a list of places the author wants to go on vacation. It's announced in a not very sophisticated way. Number 4, we should have more field trips. This is someone's opinion. Someone else might think field trips are unnecessary and I really enjoy staying in the classroom, so we should have fewer field trips. Last one, number 5. Kit Kats are better than Snickers. This is an opinion. Some person could love Kit Kats. Some person could love Snickers. Some person could even love Twix. Try again. We're going to change facts, opinions, and announcements into other things. If you write a fact and you need it to be an opinion, or if you write an opinion and you need it to be a fact, what do? You just change it. Let's look at some examples. Zebras are strange looking. There's our opinion. We can change it to zebras look different from other animals in the equine family. Equine is horse-like, and so zebras look different from horses. That's a fact that you can prove. Here's another example. Birds need bugs to stay alive. That's a fact. If you want to change it into an opinion, you could say something like, bugs are delicious to birds. No bird has ever told anyone that they find bugs delicious, so that's an opinion that the writer is stating because there's no science to back it up and prove it. Here's more changing. What do you want to do? What do you do if you want to write an announcement and you want to change it into a fact or an opinion? Let's see. Here's what I like to eat. That's the announcement. You could change it into an opinion. Ice cream is delicious. Or you could change it into a fact. Ben & Jerry's has 46 flavors of ice cream. Now, these two ways are a much more sophisticated way of discussing ice cream if that's what the writer likes to eat. Here's another example. Now I'll tell you why I like summer. Announcements aren't sophisticated. We don't want those in our writing, so we can change them into opinions and facts. An opinion, summer is the best time to travel. That's someone else's opinion because another writer might enjoy winter more and think that's the best travel opportunity. Here's a fact. The first day of summer is called the solstice. You can look that up and prove it. So now you know what the difference is between facts, opinions, and announcements, and you know how to change one from the other quite easily. Make sure that in your writing, you're using only facts and opinions, no announcements. Good luck.